Hey folks, hey, what's going on? Hey superstars, this is Wesley $1 billion Virgin. What you're looking at is a Cartier bag here. And as you can see here, I bought myself some more Cartier bracelets here. And the reason why I'm able to do this, right? Now they're giving me these nice bags, and I'm gonna show you this later here. Is because of the internet here, okay? So in this video here, I wanna show you basically, okay, how to make $350 instantly by using PayPal. And I know what you're thinking. Wesley, this is not gonna work. Wesley, it's too good to be true. Stop it, shut your mouth and listen. It is not too good to be true. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna show proof in somebody else's account. Or somebody else that's doing it, not me. Somebody else that's brand new just like you, and it's working for them, okay? All you need to do is, if you're watching this video, and I'm gonna show you something real cool on how to play games and make money. It's crazy. A lot of you are playing games on your iPhone and your Galaxy phone, and you're not making money because you don't understand that you can make money by playing your games, okay? Listen, I'm Wesley $1 billion Virgin, and yes, I have a huge mirror right here that I like to look at myself and tell myself how amazing and how great and how wonderful and how powerful I am on a daily basis. But what I want you to do is to listen to this video, take notes, and just duplicate exactly what I'm about to show you. Listen, anybody can do this. Doesn't matter your education. It doesn't matter if you hate yourself. Doesn't matter if you're not working right now. Everybody can do this, and I'm gonna show you proof right here. All I ask you to do is hit the like button, smash the like and the sub button, and make sure you turn on your notifications here. Make sense? It is called cinchbucks.com. It's not too new. It's a new website actually out there. They've revamped it and have made it very easy for brand new people like yourself to start making money online. Now listen, there's a lot going on here, okay? And listen, you have to have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, ask somebody who has one and plug it in. Listen, you must have a PayPal account because they're gonna pay you once you claim your money up here. This is how you claim it here. And they're gonna send the money to your PayPal account every week, every 2 weeks. And I'm gonna show you somebody else that's already doing this that's no smarter than you, okay? So basically, what you earn is what is called cinch bucks, okay? You do surveys, or you can play games, okay? See that? Games. But we're gonna focus on the surveys here. So the thing is, you have so many surveys that pay 1,000 cinch bucks, 825. Like right now, it's 10 bucks. If you want to make 10 bucks, you log in for free, create your account. You have to go through a nice little questionnaire. It takes about a minute to do. And you see that? Boom. That's 10 bucks right there. That's 9 bucks right there. And let me show you this young lady. I met her actually. Her name is Maria, and she's using cinch bucks. Okay. And let me tell you what she said. She says she likes it. It's amazing. I think she's 21, 22 years old. I actually reached out to her. I found her Skype. And this is what she told me. She said, because people always ask, you know, the question, how much do you earn? How much money can you really earn? She says, how much money you earn really depends on the time you have to invest. But typically, I make $5 per hour of painless work, okay? I have redeemed many times. So look, think about it for a second. A lot of you thinking $5 an hour is not a lot of money, but let's do the math, okay? It's very important to do the math, all right? So let's just do the math here. Because see, the question is, would you rather be in the comfort of your bed butt naked, right? Or would you rather be at a job site working for someone that's signing your paycheck? Not sure, but it's up to you. So look at here. If we do the math here, say if we're making 5 bucks, okay, per hour, 5 bucks, okay, times 10. Listen, you can make more. It depends on your motivation and your work ethic. I don't know yours. Mine is insane. Okay, that's 50 bucks a day. Okay, let's do the math here. 50 times 7 is 350. See, I think a lot of people, when they start online companies or they watch videos like this, I don't think you ever do the math. I don't think you ever think about, okay, if I'm making $2,000 a month or $3,000 a month, how much money do I need to make to leave my job, right? I don't think no one ever does that type of math. And if you never do that, then you're just doing things and you have no goal. Understand this, all rich people, we have an outcome, okay? All rich people have an outcome. So the thing is, if you make $2,000 a month, right here, that means if you do this for 10 hours a day, right, at $5, that's $350 a week. 350 times 4, not too bad. That's $1,400 per month. Not too bad, right? Hello? Can I get an amen? It's not too bad. It's $1,400 that you didn't have before by doing painless work just like Maria. But I know some of you, okay? But let me go through the website a little bit more here. So basically, you just click on here. This is a 10-minute survey. 10-minute survey, 38 cents bucks here. That's 127 cents buck survey. And basically how it works is, if you look here in the corner, 106 cents bucks equals $1, okay? That's it. So the thing is, you do the math. You find out how much money you want to make per day based off the cents bucks, and then they will pay you out. You want to get paid more? You look at things down here. Look at that. They're paying out 396 cents bucks here. And it's just free things. It's just like arduous work. It's just work that you got to do, and it's painless. It's just like taking your fingers, laying down. You can take a nice bubble bath, get your glass of wine, and just jump on this website and say, I'm not going to leave this site until I make $100 a day. Who can do that? Hit the like button if that's you. Well, anybody can do that, right? But remember, what's easy to do is also easy not to do. Most people, they're just going to continue to complain. Oh, that's not enough money. That's not. First of all, you're not even making enough money right now. So don't tell me what you can't do, and don't tell me what you won't do, okay? What is your willingness to learn and your willingness to accept change? This is how I get rich. Listen, let me show you something. Let me log into one of my accounts here because I want to prove to you. Let me log out first because I don't want you guys to think that I'm trying to fake numbers here, okay? I'm going to log into an account. It's my Digistore account on Digistore. See it right there? Let me log in real quick. And as you can see here, look at it. That's today. That's $4,000 so far today. Okay, that's 8/11. If you look up here at the date here, it's August 11 here. And that's just one account. It's $4,000. Okay, let me show you something else. Listen, in the description below, I teach people how to do this within 45 to 60 days. And I will put a link below. If you work, if you stay committed to something with me, you will make $10,000 per month. But you got to commit yourself. You can't bullshit. If you do that, it won't work. I'm going to be honest. And I'm going to leave a link below. And I don't want lazy people to click that link. I don't want lethargic people to click that link. And I don't want complainers. Please don't click that link in my bio, okay? Just go to Cents Bucks. Let me log into another account for you. Look at this. Let me show you something. This is daily income. I do this all day, every day, and I don't show you this to impress you. I show you to impress upon you that I'm legit. Look, I'm logging into my account. I even exposed my email address, right? Don't email me, please, because I won't answer. I can't. $3,000 in this one company. I have like 15 companies online. 8/11. That's $3,000. So that's already $7,000 I've earned today. Okay, just from these two accounts. I have many more. Okay, does that make sense? But it all started by taking action on things like this, just like Maria. She took action. She saw a video like this. She decided to do it. She's getting paid out. And I'm pretty sure Maria's making more money. Okay. She told me, she said, Wesley, because of this site, now I'm doing other things. And now I'm making 15 grand a month. But she had to start somewhere. Hello. Listen, if you never start, if you never begin anything, if you keep thinking that everything is a scam and, you can't make money that easy. If you have that type of mindset, then you might as well stay at your job. Keep working hard at your job, making 10, 20 bucks an hour. Stay there. Because you may be asking, okay, Wesley, what can I do basically to get another person to do this for me? And let me show you, okay? Let me show you what you do. If you're extra lazy, or maybe you have children and you have to tend to them, or maybe you have other commitments, listen, go here, look. Pay attention here. Go to Fiverr.com, okay? Type in virtual assistant. And yes, guys, I am using my iPhone because, I don't want to do all these fancy videos, and I just want to get to the point, okay? I want to show you how to do it. You either do it or you don't, okay? I'm not all this fancy lighting, all this fancy editing. I'm about giving value. So I'm going to get straight to the point, and I'm going to show you what I do, what I know thousands of people that do, and they make money on the computer, okay? And it's just a free way to do it. So you go here, type in virtual assistant, find somebody for cheap, 10 bucks, right? Who got 10 bucks? Comment below if you got 10 bucks, if you got $5. You hire these people for $5 and they'll do the work for you. You know why? Because these type of people, I love them because they're hard workers. You know, a lot of you're Americans, right? Oh, God. Lazy. I love you, but you're lazy. I'm going to be honest with you. So if you're that lazy, just get a homegirl with the pretty hair to hook you up, okay? She'll do it for you. She works hard. She works her butt off, right? Look at her. Cute white dress. I love it, right? She'll work hard for you, okay? And what she would do is you give her your login here to this website here at cinchbucks.com. And once you do that, then you say, hey, young lady, don't leave this site until you have 50,000 cinch bucks. So that means I want you to do surveys. I want you to play games here. Watch this. I want you to play games here as well. And guess what? You might as well play games as well because you're already playing games anyway, right? I know a lot of you have games on your iPhone, but you're playing for free. Stop doing that. Play for money, for cash. Because these companies will pay you just to play games all day long, okay? Make sense? So the thing is, you just tell the young lady here on Fiverr.com, say, hey, sister girl, hey, my Asian persuasion, I want you to log in here and I want you to do all these surveys for me, okay? I want you to play all these games for me. I want you to do everything until you get this account to $10,000 to $50,000 per day. Then after that, you're off and they'll do it. And if you're smart, listen, if you're smart, okay, you'll give that young lady a percentage of the company, which means is whatever work she does, you'll pay her 5 to 10%. See, that's called thinking outside the box. See, don't believe that it takes a lot of work to make a lot of money. You have to be smart. That means actually not smart. You got to be intelligent. You have to realize that there's things that you don't know. Like before you started to watch this video to the very end, you didn't know about cinch bucks, but now you know. And I gave you a very easy way to do it, right? To make the money starting tonight. There's no reason you can't make 400 bucks this week. I love you guys so much. Again, this is Wesley Billion dollar Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.